My name is Viviana Rodriguez. I'm from Rotatec. It's a manufacturing company for printing machinery, and I'm a member of the steering group of the Young Managers Club. Well, my company is a family business company, and I think it's very similar to the market because there are many family business companies, and then I see the growth of these companies and of the market. So there are some markets which are not in growth, and I think labels and packaging are in a growth market. So I think it's good. And then for the future, I think, well, there are many challenges. But probably one is that many companies are family business companies, and then they have to, one of the challenges will be the succession of these companies. Then another challenge will be the digital, of course, which we'll see maybe the future, we don't know. And then also the globalization and the emerging markets. So maybe India or China or Brazil, or many challenges for European companies, I think. I think that the most profitable is, for example, in labels, maybe I'm wrong, but to have short runs labels and very specialized with many effects, maybe with sealskin or cold foil, hot foil, or many different, not only printing, now you have to create a piece, a unique piece. So I think small runs and with a lot of innovation on the labels in terms of raw material or maybe on the printing side, this will make the difference, and then you will be able to charge more money for this product. So if you do a normal label and many quantity, this will not be profitable, probably. So how to create new markets? I think the most important thing is to have a local agent or a local person in each country who understands the requirements of the market, because each market it's different, no? And for our side, it's the way we grow. We are looking for strategies for different areas, and then we look for the right people there, and we see if these people have maybe technical support or all this, and then we establish a collaboration.
Okay, so finding the right partners is again what you.
Yeah,
what
for my side, but maybe for the label producers, it's different. No, I think it's more local probably. I think there are many multinationals who are exporting in many countries, but I think in general it's local markets.